According to Statista, there are over 2.6 billion people from different parts of the world who use YouTube once a month in 2022. Those billions of people use this platform to watch videos, and of course, that includes you, who's also watching YouTube right now. Some people use this platform to upload their own content. There are many things that YouTube has to offer. It gives us some sort of entertainment and motivation, and can also provide us with a passive income. But how? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can earn money with YouTube. And I'm not talking about creating or posting your own edited content, but rather just watching and listening to your favorite music. For one song, you could have $5. If you listen to 5 songs, that's an instant $25. And if you could listen to 20 songs, well, you'll have $100. That's an amazing opportunity for all those people who are looking for a side hustle that can give you extra cash. They have no special or difficult to submit requirements. All you have to do is to prepare your PC, laptop, or phone, and an internet connection, of course. After you prepared all of the devices that you'll use, you're now good to go. Start listening to music while also earning money. Hi, welcome to Daily Cash Flow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. What's good about the application that I'll reveal to you later on is that it could be used by people from different countries. Whether you're from the Philippines, Japan, United States, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, India, and other countries, you can definitely try this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Even if you're just a beginner, this is something you can do to earn money online. You're not required to invest or sell anything in order to earn. Just promise to stick with me until the end of the video so that you'll know how you can earn. And you'll know the important tips that could help you. Now I'm going to introduce the website and its application. The name of the website is current.us. Just search it on your search bar. And so this is what it looks like. You can use the website, but you can also use the applications that are available on both iOS and Android devices. Here in current.us, you're just playing your favorite music and then you'll earn points. Basically, the more you play music, the more points you'll have, and the higher the amount you can earn by converting those points into money or spending it on your favorite brands. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Take a look at these applications and their names. In the App Store, just search for Current Rewards Music Player, whereas in the Google Play Store, just search for Mode Earn App. And this is what their logo looks like. Remember the logos of the applications so you'll download the right one. Also, the ratings are quite good. In the Google Play Store, they have more than 10 million downloads, and the average rating is 4.3 stars. And on the App Store, it has a rating of 4.7 stars. If you still have doubts, you can read some of the testimonies or reviews of the users. Again, remember the name of the applications and their corresponding logos. Moving on, the app can be played whether you're commuting, running, working, or doing anything else that you want to do. Just play it in the background while you're busy doing some other tasks. On this website or application, you can listen to over 100,000 radio stations. You have so many options where you can listen to music, and YouTube is one of them. By the way, you can also listen to offline music. All you have to do is select a radio station, then play the music and press the record button. Once you're done recording, just click stop and the recording will automatically be saved in your library. Take note, all the things you'll do are free of charge. The website itself is free to use, and the other websites are also free to use as well. Just download the applications from your App Store or from Google Play. Then after that, you can start listening to music and earn points and then earn money. Stay with me until the end of the video because I will share many bonus tips that will be helpful to you. Another website that we'll use is called YouTube Music. I know you're all familiar with this platform where users can listen to songs and watch the latest music videos on YouTube. You can use this website, or you can also download its app on your phone. And as you can see, there are a lot of playlists, artists, albums, and just everything you'd want to listen to. YouTube Music also recommends some mixed music for you. All of the recommended music are easily accessible and can be played in sync with the current.us website. By merging the two applications, you can make money on autopilot. For example, here's a playlist. There's a lot of music in the queue. When one song is finished playing, the next song will automatically play. All the songs that are playing can be the source of your additional passive income. The first bonus tip is to create a playlist or add the songs in the queue. Make sure you have music lined up. For instance, preparing 20 songs to be played next. Another tip is you can click the repeat button so the song can be played again and again. You can play your playlist again after the last song is played, and this means you can keep earning money. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. For the third bonus tip, look for the HOTS list or the newly released playlist. In this way, you'll be able to make use of some songs that have higher quality and with music videos available. Just click the Explore button above, and you'll see these different moods and genres as well as the new singles, albums, and music videos. You could sing along to your YouTube songs while getting paid each time it's played using the current.us website or application. The first thing you need to do is to listen to music. And then, you can also play some videos that have playlists in them, like this one right here. The title of the video is 2022 New Songs. Latest English Songs 2022. And this song can be played for almost 12 hours. You can choose these lists of songs. Another bonus tip is to open as many tabs as you'd like to play different playlists. For instance, I opened 3 tabs. Each tab has a different music video. Basically, you let them play in the background all at once. And the bonus tips don't end with that, because I still have quite a few more tips for you. You should play music on YouTube that is at least an hour long, since the more time that you spend listening to music, the more money you can make. Select the playback speed by clicking the setting option just below the video. I believe you're aware of what needs to be done. As a result, you can change the average playback speed from 1.25 up to 2. Another tip is to reduce the video's resolution to 144p, so that even if your internet connection is slow, you can still listen to music because it'll be playing in several tabs. In this way, you can use the internet for other things. The final tip I'd like to provide is that you can also add YouTube Playback Speed Controller to Chrome or download it for free to your Google browser. You can change the speed at which YouTube plays videos. This Google Chrome extension has more than 100,000 users. With the Google Chrome extension, you can play at double or 3 times the normal speed. You may adjust the speed with the icon in the top right corner of the screen. The playback speed can be decreased by using the pause or decrease buttons. Since you have this kind of app, you can now play music on the YouTube platform or download it on the YouTube Music platform much faster, which will result in making a lot of money. I sincerely hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share your comments in the space provided below. We appreciate your time in watching this video, and we hope to see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.